Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our elegant, Purity engineered wood flooring range. Available in 5 natural decors, the Purity range offers different finishes to enhance the stunning natural wood top layer of each board. Ranging from a lacquered finish to a smoked, brushed and lacquered finish, the Purity range can complement any home styling. At 20mm thick with a 4mm real wood top layer, you can treat your feet to unrivaled comfort underfoot. Due to its thickness, the Purity range also helps retain heat and reduce sound within your home. The tongue and groove fitting system also enables a quick and easy lay. Engage the long joint and using a tapping block of mallet, tap the boards up until the short joint fully engages. You may also wish to tap up the long joint too. Treat your feet with one of the 5 stunning decors available within the Purity range. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.